feeding them. So what do they usually eat? Just
which ones? The turtles, the fish, the stingrays?
What are you trying to feed? Everything?
Everything, yeah. Whenever I come and feed, I feed all of them. The turtles will get a vegetable medley and some turtle pellets to help with their D3 and all their vitamins that they don't get, you know, with eating the actual food that they get in the wild. But right now they're getting carrots, which they like. They get a whole bunch of different foods, like they like mango, papaya, all kinds. It's fun. And they're always so cute, right, honey?
They are cute. Look at you.
The baby stingrays, we feed chopped up worms.
Are those the one?
Yeah, these little chopped up earthworms, because they are still babies, so the full worms are a bit too big for them.
See the stingrays?
And then the fish that you see are silver arowanas. Trying to get them to eat either smelt or capelings. They eat whole fish.
Cool.
But they won't come close.
So what are those, polka dotted?
Yeah, those are polka dot stingrays.
And then those are the ones who eat that?
No, they'll eat the chopped worms.
The worms, okay. But that is so cool. It's amazing how they all get along.
Yeah. The reason being is just because they feed on different items within the actual ecosystems that they have. So there's not really any competition between.
Yeah. But that's cool though. Well, thank you for letting us know. I have a YouTube about America, so you're gonna be there talking if it's okay. Competitive, but we don't see them. Yeah, we don't see the bird over there, but we see something over here. What is that?
The bird.
The bird. Look, here's another one. And here's this right here. Sloth, and it's actually over there. It's hard to see though, because it's all sleeping. And these are little monkeys again. We came across a little rest area and I see this. I don't know what that is, but I think it's so cool. And here's this little place right here. Now we go into the cafeteria. It's gonna be Caf Maya, and that's how it looks. So we have decided to eat at the Caf Maya. It's like a Mexican restaurant, and look at the beautiful plant over here. And this is like a plant on the rock, which is way too awesome. And you can see behind me all this tropical glory, all that forest right there, which is so awesome. I'm so happy we're here. And after that, we're gonna go see Aquarium. It's been a great day. I'm so glad we came. We hope you guys enjoyed it. So here's how my taco salad looks. Pretty pretty, and it's taco salad with chicken. I like this little shell. Have a good lunch, everybody.